Right then, here's a quick video to show you how you can copy and paste the styles from one spreadsheet into all the others without having to do the same amount of work that you did the first time you made it. So as you can see from the screen, I have my balance spreadsheet in front of me, and I've removed the first names and the surnames and genders of the people here because this video is going to go live. I have altered the styles and the formats of my spreadsheet, so I've got it into a form that I'd quite like to have in place for my other spreadsheets. Unfortunately, if I click on my other spreadsheets, you can see they still look like this. So what do you do? Well, first of all, you make sure that your spreadsheet that you wish to copy across is the same in terms of the number of columns that the one you wish to change, and it is indeed. I've removed the timestamp. So let's go back to the one whose styles we wish to copy across, and we're going to do this in two steps because we've got two different styles. We've got our border from our titles, and then we've got our grids for our data. So we're going to use a tool called Format Painter, and basically Format Painter works by copying the formats, the styles, from one cell into another, a bit like you would use copy and paste if you were copying and pasting information. So we start by copying, or highlighting rather, the cells we wish to copy, and we click on Format Painter. We then move over to the spreadsheet that doesn't have the styles, and if I move my mouse over here, you can see that, I don't know if you can see that from the recording, but it's in the shape of a little paintbrush. So what we then do is we paint over the cells that we want to change the format to, and if I let go, there you go, you can see it's changed into the exact same style that was there for the headings. Now Format Painter doesn't quite do it exactly right because you can see it doesn't change the widths of the columns, and you would just have to do that yourself. So that's done with the headings. What about the main table? Well, same thing again. I highlight the styles of one row. Now I don't need to do all the rows because they're all the same style, because I can just actually copy one style from one row into all the rest. Click on Format Painter as before, click back on Coordination, and this time, because I want all of this data to change, I simply highlight the whole thing, move my mouse all the way down to the bottom, down to about, there we go, and let go. And when I let go, you can see it's changed the format and the styles into the one of the first table. And then if I want to, I can just go and start changing the widths and make those changes too. But hopefully you can see that it's a much quicker way of applying the styles than doing it step by step by step. And if you really want to go back and change, say, the color of coordination into a different one, you can do. Click on here and just change the one thing. There we go.